On location in the Nevada desert, the Sound Ideas recording crew brought in a firearms expert and a truckload of weapons to record. The package included everything from assault rifles to handguns, which were mic'd from 12 different locations. It was safety first in this remote area, but we all took the opportunity to fire a round or two for posterity. It's a tough job, but somebody has to do it. Because Sound Ideas goes to extremes to get the sounds we need.